what better time is there to do a on-water review of the Old Town Topwater 106 than while I'm taking a quick break out here on Lake Monroe in southern Indiana. I went with this because I was looking for an inexpensive solution that would support my weight and my disabilities. I'm 5'7", 315 pounds, bad back, bad knees. This was a yak that I found on sale, normally $8.99. I think I got it in the upper $600 or maybe a low $700 range, but perfect for everything that I need. What have I done to it so far? Well, I added a yak gear anchor trolley system. As you can see, it comes with a nice seat. This thing is doing everything that I want it to do, and it's very comfortable for me. I ride it in the high position. I have a crate in the back with a Plano tackle systems crate in there. I'm running 3 Lew's rod and reels. I have loved everything about this kayak so far. Old Town did a great job at a great price. Yeah, there's people out there that have pedal drives and all that. I don't have that need right now. Yeah, it would be handy on lakes like this with lots of tide coming in. But hey, I need the exercise, and this is what I can afford, and it's a great boat for the money. I am thoroughly impressed with Old Town for this thing. There's one. I'll tangle up.